Welcome to today's video, where we'll explore 20 amazing food processing business ideas that you can start right now. Food processing is a growing industry, with a lot of opportunities to create a sustainable, profitable business. If you're passionate about food and entrepreneurship, you've come to the right place. Whether you want to create products in your home kitchen or build a large-scale business, this video is packed with ideas to inspire you. Alright, let's dive straight into the list of food processing business ideas. 1. Fruit and vegetable drying. You can start by drying fruits and vegetables. These healthy snacks are in high demand, and you can easily sell them online or in local stores. You'll need a good quality dehydrator. Affiliate tools like Excalibur Dehydrator are great for beginners. 2. Organic juice production. With health-conscious consumers on the rise, organic juice is a fantastic market to enter. A small juicing business can be started with minimal equipment, and tools like Breville Juice Fountain can help you get started. 3. Tomato sauce production. Tomato sauce is a kitchen staple, and the demand for homemade, organic versions is growing. This idea is easy to scale and you can sell locally or online. Make sure to check out bottling machines from Amazon to streamline your production. 4. Frozen foods. Frozen food businesses have become more popular, especially with busy professionals. You can start with pre-packaged meals or vegetables. Tools like FoodSaver Vacuum Sealer are helpful for freezing and preserving products. 5. Jam and jelly making. Homemade jams and jellies have always been popular. You can create unique flavors with local fruits. Consider using Ball Fresh Tech Automatic Jam and Jelly Maker to produce high-quality batches with ease. 6. Meat processing. If you're interested in the meat industry, processing and selling cured meats like jerky or sausages could be a great niche. You'll need some basic equipment, such as a sausage stuffer or jerky dehydrator. 7. Spice blending. Spices are essential to every kitchen, and there's a rising demand for organic and unique spice blends. Tools like Cuisinart Spice Grinder can help you with production at a small scale. 8. Bakery products. Baked goods like bread, cookies, and cakes never go out of style. If you love baking, this could be a fantastic business idea. Start with small orders for friends and family and grow from there. Try tools like KitchenAid Stand Mixer for all your mixing needs. 9. Pickle production. Pickles are not only popular, but they can be produced easily at home with minimal investment. You can experiment with different vegetables, spices, and packaging to create a unique product. 10. Herbal tea blends. Herbal tea blends are in high demand for their health benefits. You can create blends using dried herbs and market them to health-conscious consumers. 11. Nut butter production. Nut butters like almond, peanut, and cashew are easy to make and have a growing market. A high-quality food processor like Vitamix can help you create smooth, creamy nut butters. 12. Dairy products. Dairy products like cheese, yogurt, and butter have a consistent market. You could start with small-scale production and slowly grow your customer base. 13. Snack bars and granola. Healthy snack bars and granola are another great food processing idea. With more people looking for nutritious snacks, you can stand out with unique ingredients and packaging. 14. Baby food production. Baby food is a lucrative niche that focuses on parents looking for organic and nutritious options for their children. You'll need some basic food processing equipment like a steamer and a blender. 15. Flavored oil and vinegar. Flavored oils and vinegars add a gourmet touch to any meal. This business idea allows you to create unique combinations that can be sold in fancy packaging. 16. Dairy-free ice cream. With more people going dairy-free, there's a growing demand for plant-based ice creams. You can use tools like Cuisinart Ice Cream Maker to start your production. 17. Organic candy and chocolates. Organic candy and chocolates are gaining popularity. Experiment with different ingredients and packaging to create a unique brand. 18. Kombucha brewing. Kombucha, a fermented tea, is one of the most popular health drinks today. You can start brewing at home with a basic kombucha kit and scale up as demand grows. 19. Tofu and tempeh production. Tofu and tempeh are popular meat substitutes, and the plant-based movement is only growing. You can sell them at local farmers markets or to health food stores. 20. Canned goods. Finally, canned goods are always in demand. You can start with vegetables, soups, or even sauces. Affiliate tools like All-American Pressure Canner will help you get started. And there you have it, 20 food processing business ideas to start your own business. The food industry is constantly evolving, and with the right tools and dedication, you can create a successful business from one of these ideas. If you're interested in any of the products or tools we mentioned, check out the affiliate links in the description below. Starting a food processing business doesn't have to be overwhelming, and with the right plan, you can begin your journey to financial independence. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more business ideas and tips. Also, comment down below which idea you're most excited to try. And don't forget to check the links in the description for resources and tools to help you get started.